Default mode, 24/7 natural mode, gradient orange light, sunrise, from 6 a.m. to 8 a.m. Gradient white light from 8 a.m. to 6 p.m. Gradient blue light, moonlight, from 6 p.m. to 10:50 p.m. The lights are off in other time periods. P.S. The 6 time points on the controller are used as a reference for the first running time setting. In other words, the overall default time period can be delayed or advanced. DIY mode, time plus color plus brightness can be set. Setting time, timer key, there are 3 choices, it can run for 6 hours, or 10 hours, or 12 hours. Brightness, 5 kinds of brightness. Color, on-off, M key, white, red, blue, green, purple, orange, cyan. P.S. The light slowly ramps up and down in 15 minutes, then comes the brightness you set. Cycle color, no brightness selection. New upgrade. The separable adapter, if it is damaged, no need to replace the whole light to avoid waste. The extendable bending bracket can be adjusted in length and easy to install, and can be applied to various freshwater tanks. Thicken aluminum to increase heat dissipation efficiency. Power off memory function, whether it is 24/7 mode or time mode, other settings remain unchanged, only the start time changes, the default operation starts at 6 a.m. High quality light. The light is soft, the color rendering index is close to natural light, up to 85%, protecting eyes and fish, to refuse the discomfort caused by stroboscopic for fish and viewers. Using high-quality 2835 plus 5050 model lamp beads, long service life, at least 50,000 hours. Lamp beads waterproof, the light is easy to clean and wipe, no need to worry even if it falls into the water briefly. Top reviews from the United States. Really love this light. 24-hour cycle is amazing. I love everything about this light. Easy to adjust size to fit my 10 gallons, the 24-hour cycle is simple enough to set up and once down, it takes care of everything for you. Morning, moon, evening, night all have their own color settings and brightness to simulate the sunrise and sunset with starlight viewing. Sounds hokey. Looks amazing, smooth transitions you won't likely notice, and the plants seem like it loads better than the joke LEDs that came with the tank. This thing is legit. Would happily buy another.